and scam. Sorry, it's like obviously like a scam. Obviously, I'm not trying to hate on this girl, but it's obviously a scam. Okay, so it's obviously a... I'm playing Mr. Nice Guy. She didn't know about my channel. Hopefully.
Oh my god, this is the funniest video ever, Cameron. Come here. What's this game? Watch what he says, though. Watch it, it doesn't count.
Some proof that I'm not playing on other accounts. Obviously a scam. Look, she's trying to get... I think she may think that...
Get out, Ellie. Why don't you go change?
Oh my gosh. That was such a scam. What the heck? Like, guys, she seriously, legitimately scammed me. What? I know this video is sort of short, but legitimately, tried to get scammed. I'll read you the top of her. I lost my nerds. Aw, how? I know. I got hacked and scammed. Oh, sorry to hear. Will you trade me a lot of rares? That's the line that really got me. Or a spike. Cool. I don't have a lot of rares. My rarest item is spike. I had to lie to her, but so I didn't have to give her all my rares. One spike, please. This is the one I'm wearing. This is one of my only spikes when I have a lot, though. Oh, sorry. I might just stop playing. Don't. Please. I wish I could help. But no one likes me at all. I do. Yeah. She was like obviously lying. She tried to get my cupids. They're not glossy, but you know. Then she traded like a rare for my pink long and my glossies. So guys, just be a jammer, not a scammer. I mean that couldn't have been a scam, but you know it most likely was, because when when stuff happens like that, it's usually mostly a scam. I'm starting to accept buddy requests less, but if you really want to be my buddy and you don't want to get unbuddied, then don't be saying that stuff to me, or you will get... I will not unfriend her, but you know, but I'm still here. And if you really want to be my buddy, my jamograms are always open, so you're free in to send any gifts. And yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. You just jamogram me. It doesn't have to have a gift saying cool pup, or just could you please buddy me. And if you're a non-member, then just use the phantom the phantom sticker. I'm sorry. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you later. Peace.